How to find Monopoly Go user ID. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is posted. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple. Just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up Monopoly Go. And once you do that, click on the three lines at the top right corner, and from there click on settings, and at the bottom above the option that says connect account, which is the green button, you will see your user ID written in numbers. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can see and check your Monopoly Go user ID. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. With that said, see you in the next video.